Hey, so today's product review is going to be a glass railing system from RF Transparent. This is a really awesome product, super simple to install. It's a Canadian company. So basically, to get started, you're going to send them your drawings, your sketch or whatever. It could just be a hand sketch. That's usually what we do, of the space where you require your railing. And they're going to drop a little CAD drawing. They'll confirm all the sizes and all the glass components you need to put the system together. So there's a lot of flexibility in this product because of the way they're made. So all their panels are pre-made. A lot of it's sitting in stock at their warehouse. So you're going to have heights 34 inch, 40 inch, and 46 inch. It's going to help you meet any of your town and local codes for that. And then, the reason why it's so flexible in the install and design is because the smallest panel, I believe, is around 7.9 inches. The longest panel, I think, is 72.8 inches. And all these crazy different dimensions in between so that you can literally design whatever you need to do. So one other cool feature about this is that there are no holes in the glass panels, and that's what makes it so flexible. So you don't have to be exactly to the fraction of an inch when you do this measurement and when they send you the stuff. So as you can see, you have these connectors or stiffeners. You have your stanchions on the bottom and your corner pieces. And yes, none of these have holes in them. So basically it's compression fittings for every component here. So if you needed to shift one panel over a quarter inch, half an inch, whatever, to make it work in another spot, you can. But for the most part, they're pretty spot on with their design. And then the ease of installation. I think we installed this in about an hour, hour and a half with two guys. And it was really simple. So all you do is you fix your stanchions here to your sublayer. You can see here, it's just a bracket. And we put 4 truss locks in there to get a really good hold. And there's a little leveling set screw here that's going to help you level out the stanchion to make sure everything gets nice and level. And there's some small rubber shims that go in here, and then you're going to tighten down with Allen key fittings here to make sure you clamp the glass. And then once it's in, you can see it's really rigid, really sturdy, and they meet all your town and local codes for impact glass or whatever you need in regards to making sure you meet all your safety standards. And I will say this was purchased by us. This is, I think, the 3rd or 4th railing system we've installed. They did not send this product to us, but we just really been enjoying working with them and using the product. It's been great. So we'll drop a link in our description. It's RF Transparent. Again, great for DIYers and really good for contractors because of the flexibility of the installs. So if you like content like this, we would love it if you would hit that subscribe and like button so we can get more of this out to you. And we'll see you next time.